Hey, welcome to the Biofit review. I'll be walking you through a detailed review of this product. I'll be sharing the pros and the cons and whether you should buy this product. So, are you struggling to lose weight? Has it ever crossed your mind that maybe the issue does not entirely have to do with your lifestyle choices and activeness, but something deeply within your body? If such a thought was least of your worries, the time has finally come to reconsider. The Biofit Probiotic supplement promises to offer a quick solution for those looking to lose weight. It provides a natural way of shedding fat safely, and unlike most pills in the market, this supplement employs a different approach. It uses bacteria that induces weight loss without any severe side effects. But how does Biofit achieve these results? Is it a legit weight loss supplement or a scam like other products in the market? Let's take a look. So what is Biofit? Biofit is a probiotic support intended to enrich gut health. As a result, one can anticipate desirable weight loss results, enhance skin health, and reduce risk of developing autoimmune diseases and a healthy heart, to name a few. By bringing together 7 probiotic strains, the team behind Biofit's nature formulas trusts that the body will ultimately achieve homeostasis, a crucial factor that it is believed to positively influence our systems. When a user starts taking these pills daily, it becomes easier for his body to boost metabolism. Biofit is suitable for everyone interested in losing some pounds, but it is exceptionally helpful for people who have tried everything and still cannot lose weight. This supplement works on the hidden problems which affect metabolism and make it impossible to lose weight. The best part is that you don't have to follow any fat diet or spend hours at the gym trying to burn fat. Since this is a quality product that contains 100% natural ingredients which have been tested thoroughly before having been included, you can trust it. It can be quite embarrassing not to be able to fit into your favorite clothes while your friends are still slim and fit. Matters get worse when your partner points out that you have put on weight and there is nothing you can do to appear more attractive. Many people would say that you are not putting in enough efforts, but no one seems to get the inner struggle that you have as you jump from one diet to another, from one exercise plan to another, and one supplement to another, as to actually get your hands on something that works. If you have been in this situation, then one product that can help you is Biofit. Losing weight is especially difficult because it involves rigorous exercise, frustrating diet changes, or combining these two approaches. It is even more frustrating that many of the common weight loss supplements have to be combined with one or both of these approaches to be effective. Dieting is not easy, especially since many foods recommended for weight loss are not your everyday snacks and fast meals. For example, dieting recommends ditching burgers and fries for salads and hard cereals. Additionally, many of the foods recommended for dieting may be difficult to prepare, and it may take a lot of time to get used to the different tastes and flavors. Sadly, dieting doesn't always work, even after giving up your favorite foods. Exercising can also prove difficult. It goes beyond jogging around the neighborhood, and it involves taxing exercises such as body weight training and core strengthening exercises. The fatigue can feel unbearable, especially if you were mostly inactive. What's more, it can disrupt your daily schedules as you have to make time to go to the gym. Now I'll discuss the pros and the cons of this product. First, let's discuss the pros. Biofit Probiotic provides numerous health benefits, but mainly focuses on weight loss. You are able to lose at least 3 pounds of body fat every week. Biofit Probiotic can help you get good sleep, reduce stress, and relieve you from anxiety. The supplement can prevent you from suffering high levels of stomach acids and cleanse your colons from toxins. Biofit Probiotic can support a healthy immune system that can keep you safe and healthy while you're losing weight rapidly. This product can also improve your bowel movements and decrease the risk of getting diarrhea or other stomach-related issues. Biofit Probiotic supports gut health. You will feel more energized and become more active. Because of the effects of the dietary supplement, your self-confidence is boosted and you are more confident of your slimmer physique. In addition to these benefits the user can get when taking Biofit Probiotic, there are also some notable features worth mentioning. This includes how the powerful formula does not need you to change your lifestyle for it to work. It does not require exercise or diets. Biofit Probiotic is also safe to take with zero side effects, so users of the dietary supplement do not have anything to worry about. Lastly, Biofit Probiotic is made from a USA-based facility that is also GMP certified. One slight hiccup with Biofit Probiotic supplement is that the supplement is not available in offline stores. Therefore, you can't purchase it in your local stores like Walmart. To get a hold of Biofit Probiotic, you will have to purchase the supplement on their official website, and the product will then be shipped to your doorstep, and shipping can take 3 to 7 days depending on the area the product is shipped to. I'll put the link to the official website in the description so your purchase will be 100% safe. Biofit has done wonders for me and I'll highly recommend it to anyone who wants to lose weight. Biofit supports the digestive system in a way that typical weight loss remedies don't. It deals with the potential underlying cause of weak digestion while simultaneously supporting the user's health to protect them from the worse damage than other weight loss supplements. All of the ingredients are naturally found in other foods already, with a high concentration allows users to target their gut effectively. So yes, Biofit works, but it may take a bit longer for some people and less time for some individuals. So all you have to do is get the product, use it consistently and see how it works. I'll strongly suggest you to go ahead and get Biofit because it simply works. If you decide to use Biofit, make sure you use their official website to make the payment. I'll put the link to the official website of Biofit in the description and you will be 100% safe. Thank you for watching.